I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy paper strawberry. So this is a very easy way of making a paper strawberry and it's useful too. So I've posted many craft videos on my channel and I thought I'll make something different. So I thought of making a really easy paper fruit, that is a strawberry. So this one's a really cute one and it's also a really easy craft to do, and you can use it for playing or you can gift it to your younger siblings, or you can, if you're a preschooler or a small child, you can use it for your school projects. Or you can even make mini strawberries and you can even use it as home decor or table decor or anything. One more thing about this is that it's really realistic as well. So it's in the same size of a real strawberry, and if you see it from a distance, it'll be looking like a real one and you won't be able to see any flaws in it or any other differences. So I also made a small stem for the strawberry over here, and I've also put a small leaf over here for the strawberry. So you guys can decorate it in any way you like. I also used a permanent marker to put small dots over here to make it more realistic for the small pose. So I also used really dark, good quality red paper. If you guys can also use that to make it more realistic. And so this is a really easy craft, and it's so I'm going to teach you guys how to do it in this video. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get started. The first step is I'm taking a square piece of paper. So I'm taking a really dark red. And one more thing special about this paper is that it already has small pores in it. So if you see it, will be having like small dots all over this paper, which will also give it a really realistic look. So the first step is that we're going to be folding this paper in half like this. So please follow along the steps really properly in this video, because steps are really important, and if you mess them up, then the strawberry won't be proper and that won't be perfect. So the shape is also very important, so keep following me along. So now I'm folding it in the opposite direction in half. So now I'm going to be folding it diagonally like this. So also take a perfect square paper for more clarity. So now I'm going to be folding this paper in half one more time diagonally on the opposite direction. So the next step is that we're going to be taking this part and we're going to be folding it like this and this one over here. So I'll be having like a triangular shape. So now we're going to be pushing this top part in back over here, and we're going to be pushing it back in like this. So if you do the folds properly like many times, this fold will automatically be coming. But since we don't have any time to all that, so I'm just going to be folding it like this. So now we'll be having like a triangular shape. So we'll be having one triangle on this side and another triangle on this side. So it'll be a really cute shape like this. So you should open it and do it many times to get this proper shape, and you can just fold it on all the other sides to get the proper shape for this. So getting the shape is a really important step. So do that perfectly so that the strawberry will be looking perfect. So as you see, there's some inequalities at the bottom part. So I'm just going to be folding and fixing that up, because if you do a mistake in this step, then the whole strawberry will be ruined and messed up. So you won't be having a proper shape. So I'm just going to be doing that again. So after we complete this, we'll be having this shape like this. So next step is that we're going to be opening this up like this over here. So the next step is that we're going to be repeating the same step but in the opposite direction. So now we're going to be getting into a square shape. So I'm going to be folding two sides like this over here. And now once we complete that, we're going to be taking this top part and we're going to be folding it to the bottom, and we're going to be folding it like this. So I just did that previous step to get the proper shape, so that it'll be easier to fold this. So if you don't do that, or if you don't feel like it's hard, you can skip that step if you want. So after we complete this, we'll be having like a diamond, or if you turn to this side, we'll be having a square. So next are a few important steps, so keep following me along. So we're going to be taking two sides and we're going to be folding it to the center like this. So now we're going to be turning this piece of paper and we're going to be folding it in half like this. So please make sure that the top part is like this and it can't be folded anymore. And only the bottom part should be opening like this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that we're going to be taking this and we're going to be folding it gently at the bottom over here like this. And now I'm going to be turning this and I'm going to be folding it at the bottom over here on this side of the paper as well. So the next step we're going to be doing is that we're going to be taking this side over here, this folded part, and we're going to be taking it gently and we're going to be opening this part over here, and we're going to be folding this one back in. So just make sure the folds are perfect. So once we complete this, we're going to be taking this top part. So as you see, we'll be having two parts over here. So we're supposed to be pushing this part open like this to get a triangular shape. So this is just for the foldings, so it's fine if you skip that. So now we're going to be opening these two parts back again on both the sides like this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that we're going to be taking this part and we're going to be folding it back again one more time like this on the opposite direction. So just like half over here, and now we're going to be turning this part and we're going to be folding it over here in half gently like this. So once we complete this, I'm going to be opening this back in, and I'm going to be folding this part inwards over here, and this one inwards, and the back part inwards again, and this part inwards. So once we complete this, I'm going to be opening it, and I'm taking this part back and this part open as well. So now I'm taking this top part, and I'm going to be folding it like this, and I'm taking this part, we're going to be folding it back open over here. So once we complete this, I'm going to be taking this small part over here, and I'm going to be turning it to the opposite side like this. And now we're going to be turning this part to the opposite side over here and over here as well. So once we open to all the opposite sides, we're going to be opening this piece over here in the center like this. And I'm going to be pushing it open very slowly. And now we'll be having a small shape like this. So now we're going to be folding all the parts that's outside back open over here like this. And we're pushing it gently like this. So now our strawberry shape is ready. So the next important step we're going to be doing is how we're going to be getting the leaf for this one. So I'm taking a square piece of green color paper, and we're going to be folding it into a triangle like this. And now I'm going to be folding it one more time gently like this. So once we complete this, we're going to be using a scissor and follow along the step properly. So we have this open folded side over here. So we're going to be cutting this along like this. So we're going to be cutting this off, and we're going to be cutting this over here. And now we're going to be cutting this corner part to make a small hole over here to cut it off. And we're also going to be cutting it over here to cut it properly. So now we're going to be opening it, and we'll be having like a leaf-like structure with a small hole in the center. So if you guys want to fold the triangle like to one more piece, then we'll be having 28 pieces like I made in this one. So next step is that we're going to be gluing this on top of this one. So for that, I'm just going to be applying some glue, and I'm going to be sticking that later. So before we do that, I'm just going to be taking a permanent marker, and I'm going to be putting small dots over here on this piece gently like this. So this is to make it more realistic and to make it more beautiful. So I'm just going to be giving that dots gently like this over here on this pieces of paper. So I'm going to be giving it over here and on top of this, and we're going to be turning it to the side, and we're going to be giving the dots again. So now once we completed this, I'm just going to be keeping this aside, and I'm going to be taking a green color rectangular piece of paper like this, and I'm going to be rolling it gently and slowly like this. So we're supposed to be doing that really slowly. So once we roll it, I'm going to be gluing it. So if you guys have glue, you can do that. So if you do not have glue, you can just take this piece of paper we had over here in the center, this leaf, we can just cut it into a little bit more longer, then we can stick it. That can also be done. So I'm just going to be cutting it a little bit more longer like this, and I'm going to be inserting the leaf, the stem that we made inside. So now it's kind of long, so now it's will fit this small stem inside. So now I'm going to be pushing this inwards like this over here. So now I'm going to be taking the strawberry that we made, and we're going to be inserting that over here inside the strawberry, and we're going to be gluing it. So if you do not have glue, you can leave it as it is. It'll also be good. So I'm just going to be applying some glue and showing it for instance. So now I have some glue, and I'm just going to be sticking it over here. So I'm going to be applying some glue at the bottom part over here, and we're going to be inserting it inside. And we can also apply glue around the sleeve so that we can insert it inward. So it's going to be pushing that in, and we're going to be sticking the stem to it. So we should give it a lot of time to dry, because if it does not dry well, then it won't stick properly. So we should give it a lot of time to dry. So we just keep it inside like this, and I'm going to be folding the two sides over here along with it. So we're going to be inserting it gently like this. I'm going to be leaving it some for to dry. So I'm just going to be leaving it like this, since I'm using Fevigum, it will take a long time to dry. So I just kept it like that. So if you wait a few minutes, it will be dried, and you can carry on with decorating it, and you can use it for your home decorations and everything. So after you complete this, a really easy paper strawberry is ready. This is a very easy way of making a strawberry, and is useful too. And you can do more decorations, and you can use it as a really cute home decor and really easy decoration as well. So it's a really easy and cool craft to do, and also looking really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before you conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. If you want more fun videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any ideas about what I should post on my channel, or if you have any doubts about my channel, you can comment that also. I'll see your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!